What if you could dive into a booming market and start making some steady cash without breaking a sweat? That's where Sticker's multi-profits business comes in. Picture this: all the tools you need to create and sell stickers and print-on-demand products, no design skills needed. That's exactly what StickerLab is all about. StickerLab is your go-to toolkit for everyone, whether you're a business pro or just starting out. You can whip up amazing digital stickers and print-on-demand products in no time. Just type in your idea and let AI work its magic. With a variety of artistic styles, you'll easily keep up with the latest trends while raking in great profits from sales on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. Why StickerLab is your go-to business buddy. Instant sticker creation. Just type out your idea, hit a button, and watch as awesome stickers pop up in seconds thanks to AI magic. Artistic variety. Whether you're into cartoon, kawaii, anime, or cyberpunk styles, easily keep up with any trend or theme. Sell anywhere, from Etsy to Amazon and Redbubble to Shopify. Your stickers can be sold wherever you want. Big profits. With low production costs, you get more cash from every sale. Full ownership. You own every design you make, sell them, share them, or gift them however you like. Easy organization. Manage all your cool sticker collections right from your dashboard without a hitch. No skills needed. Forget about design skills or tech troubles. Just bring your creativity and let StickerLab do the rest. Endless ideas with ChatGPT integration. Get unlimited sticker concepts and niche ideas without breaking a sweat. Dive into a $7 billion market. Be part of one of the fastest growing creative industries around. StickerLab isn't just another design tool. It's your go-to solution for kicking off and growing a successful sticker business without the hassle. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur, side hustler, or totally new to this, StickerLab clears all the obstacles so you can dive right into creating, selling, and making money. StickerLab is kicking things off with a special launch discount, but it won't last forever. Don't let this chance slip by to jumpstart your creative business at an awesome price. Click the link below to grab your StickerLab Toolkit today and kickstart your journey into a profitable creative adventure.